I think Miami is one of the most unique cities in the world,
Oh, yeah.
especially if you're thinking about it satirizing American culture. It has this duality of a glossy surface and a dark underworld. It has the influencers, it has the crypto bros, the yachts, bikinis, plastic surgery, sports cars, drugs, cartel cash, luxury, super rich people, and the desperately poor, just the whole of it. Would it be like the perfect city to explore the full cast of characters that are possible, that human nature can generate?
I think it's one of them. There's a reason why GTA kept coming back to Miami, New York, Los Angeles. I think they're all very good for exactly what you laid out.
Mhm.
You could say move it to any of those and it would work.
So yeah, there's a melting pot aspect to New York also, right?
Melting pot aspect to LA. There's
Yeah.
glitz, glamour, underbelly, immigrants, enormous wealth in all of them. I think those are what I think are really fun for any, not even just for GTA, but for anything where you want a kind of slice of life, almost like a sort of psychotic version of a Dickens book. This big slice of life. He did it with London. This psychotic
Yeah.
version of these, big, all kinds of characters in a melting pot. Any of these global cities work well for that.